The Learn to Type Today method offers the following suggestions for reducing errors when you type. First, please realize that improving your reading and spelling is the single factor that contributes toward reducing your typing errors. The Learn to Type Today program is designed to improve your reading and spelling progressively as you take the course. Learn to read whole words, not just the letters that form them. As your speed and accuracy improves, begin reading groups of words and type them as such. This will result in your best speed and accuracy. Next, take note of how words are spelled, because this will help create the finger patterns necessary for fast and accurate typing. A finger pattern is a series of keystrokes that make up an individual word. As soon as your mind sees the word, it knows whether a finger pattern exists in your memory and uses that to immediately type the word automatically. Look at the keyboard and notice that the keys are illuminating for the finger patterns for the words the, them, their, yours, mine, those, dog, cat, fish, some, not, with, how, when, right, and so forth. Most finger patterns handle words that are 3 to 5 characters in length. However, you can build such patterns for far more complex words that appear in your everyday work. Finger patterns can also be stored in your mind for phrases or groups of words. The best typists have stored many finger patterns in their minds. The Learn to Type Today method provides an exercise in this lesson designed to help you build finger patterns as you type. Another one is located in the Exercises 1 lesson plan for the activity called Simple Sentences. Finally, professional versions of the Learn to Type Today program allow you to add activities to the Exercises 2 lesson plan so that you can type common words and passages that appear in your everyday work. Not all keyboards are created equal, and not all keyboards may work well for you. Experiment until you find a keyboard that works for you. Good keyboards provide nice tactile feel and key responsiveness with the least friction possible. Generally, keyboard covers may actually slow you down and result in more errors. Maintain correct posture. This cannot be stressed enough. Sitting upright, with your back straight and your fingers lightly touching the home row keys results in the best typing performance. Also, avoid resting your wrists on the work area as shown in the video on this page. This can result in repetitive hand injuries and, of course, will cause errors in your work. Please visit the posture topic in the lesson plan to the right of your screen for more information. Do not rely on word processing programs to fix your errors automatically. Instead, strive to do it right the first time, and you will be more satisfied with your work. You will also not need to backspace as often to fix your errors. If you are typing from a source or copy, pre-read the copy first. The more familiar you are with what needs to be typed, the faster you will type and the less errors will occur. Avoid a fast, slow, or jerky pace. Maintain a steady pace. Speed and accuracy will vary with how you physically feel. Tiredness results in more errors, so keep yourself alert. However, do not expect your typing speed and accuracy to be the same every day. These proven techniques, along with the activities that follow, will help you to reduce your errors. You may even surprise yourself with how well they work for you.